Well, by now it feels like a family gathering almost. You get engaged into discussions, you get engaged into meaningful conversations. When you have something which is more, let's call it mass product, that doesn't work out oftentimes. And it is a very special environment that is always created, and we appreciate it greatly. Well, the Middle East is very specific because they set their priorities maybe a bit different from, let's say, traditional markets. Specifically in Europe, there's not as much willingness to innovate. That's why I think that what the EvoMed does really is placed nicely here, because it can really help to get those innovations onto the patient bedside. We had amazing momentum this whole time. Our booth is full all the time. We have amazing discussions from leaders all around the world. It really makes the world of a difference. Many startups think about certain aspects of healthcare, but if you want to get your product really used and adopted, there's much more to be taken care of. Alignment is not, it doesn't mean that if you get regulatory approval that you'll kick off. Many have the feeling like it's a kind of a finish line, but it's actually just a ticket that allows you to play. A real clinical adoption is where everything breaks, because a real clinical adoption is what translates one-to-one to impact and translates directly into business success. I do think that the clinical adoption needs to be seen as the metric in healthcare, not valuations of companies, not how much money they managed to raise in the last round. It is really the clinical adoption which makes or breaks things, because without clinicians, I often say that healthcare is B2B to C. So you are serving the patients, but you do it through the doctors or other healthcare practitioners. And without taking all of those things into account, you will not have a sustainable business. You can launch, might be a huge launch, but after a year or two, it might dip. That's the one shift in perspective that founders need to do in order to really align their priorities with the right stars.